Hi, in this video I will show you how to debug your code. Debugging means to run your code step by step, looking at your variable. In order to debug your code, select Run and Debug panel and click on Run and Debug. Here you can select a debugger. For simplicity, use Node.js. And after that, your program has been executed. The real power is when you click here, somewhere here, in order to stop the execution. And let's run again. By the way, here are the useful keyboard shortcuts. So in order to run your program, press F5. Now, when we set a breakpoint, the program is stopped. So you can run it step by step. In order to execute one step, one line, use F11 button on your keyboard or use this panel at the top of the screen. Okay, let's press F11. Now we have your variables. At this moment we have array A and its values. After that we can go into the function array_sum, and now we can run this program step by step. So the loop is working. Now the current value of sum is 0. After line number 4 it becomes 1. Again, the next iteration of a loop gives us 3, because 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Then we use this value and we have 6. After that this value and we have 10, and the last one, and we have sum equals to 15. After that we return this value and print it, console log sum equals to 15. That's it. The program is finished, and now you can debug your code.